Hi everyone, in this video I'll be talking about how to reverse an array element in index shifting element, means shifting index last to first initial index and initial index to the last. So while writing a code will be easy to you to understand the concept of reversing array. So that let's write the code, understand the concept of an array.
Before reversing an array, we will require here to create an array. First, let's create an array int arr, assign some element of an array 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. I given this element of an array. So let's create a method for reversing an array. For reversing, we'll require here static void. I am just giving a message of void, returning void. So reverse an array, just give a name it and pass of arr, means array of element. So we will have to reverse an array. There are two approaches to reverse array I will talk about. The first one is to reverse the last number of element to the first one and replace the first one to the last. So this is the first approach I will talk about here. Let's just write the code. It is very easy to reverse the array. For loop I am using here, reverse from the I equal arr dot length minus 1. Okay, and now I is greater than 0, then greater than 0, I is less than, means minus means from the last to we have to decrease the element. So that I given here minus minus, just pass the area of area of I means the last element will print, last one last one second, last one third, so on it will get reverse the array. So this is the first approach. So system dot out dot println arri, you can see here. Let's run it, then it will be easy to you to understand. Oh, okay, before running we will have to call the reverse array and pass the arr. Okay, right, save it and run this program. Now you can see here 15, 14, 13, 12, but one more is leaving. Which one is this? So 12 is not printing. Why it is not printing? We will have to count I is equal 12, then it should also return the value. Yeah, you will have to understand how it is working the condition. If I is equal 0, then it will print the 11. I hope you will get understood right now. So you will have to write the condition exactly what you will require. Without writing condition exactly that requires to the code, until unless it will not print the right require output. Okay, so I hope you will get understood. Let's talk about the next approach. What is next approach? For that I am writing here again the method, new method, static and void. Let's array reverse. I given the array reverse. Okay, and pass the array. I pass array, and what I am doing here, I have just two index from the initial index and last index. So what I will do, from the initial index I will put the last, and last index I will put in the initial. So then the array will get reversed, means array will become reversed the all element. So let's create an array element of integer type is start means initialized by 0. This is the 0 index, and int, that will be area of last index. For getting the last index we will have to length minus 1, that will be last index of element of array element. Okay, so what I am doing here, I am using while a start from less, means start will be less index, means 0 index, and end will be whatever index will be of the array, that will be here. So let's uh, let's shift the value of element value from the last index to 0 index and 0 index to last index, then it will get reverse the array. So let's create a temporary array temp and arr start, and this one the temporary start will start will include this temp, and means start initial index will save into the temp, and then arr start assigned start assigned to end. Okay, start assign end, and arr end will assign to the first one is what temp. Okay, so now the shifting has been done, so we will have to move the next one. So for that we will require here I start plus means one index will ahead go to a start, and the last one shift in the first one, then we will have to decrease the value the last from. So this code has been done. We'll have to print the value, we'll have to print the element what it is working reversing area or not. So for that we'll require a message system dot out dot println. I'm giving here the message after printing, after reversing array. Okay, a element whatever message you can give here, I given this, and I'm using here for each loop. Suppose I int I and colon and arr, and then system dot out dot println arr not I will miss index of a array element will get printed. Let's call this array and then see what exactly it's working or not. Let's call this array, what's I give a name of it, array reverse. Okay, array reverse I give a name to it. So array reverse and pass the array. I hope it's been called here. Let's run this program. Yeah, you can see here 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11. It is reversed all the array of element. I hope you will get understood. I'll be meeting in next video. Till then, goodbye.